are 7 periods. The number of main shells present in the atom of particular element decides to which period belongs to. Example: hydrogen H and helium He atoms contain only one main shell K. Therefore, they belongs to period 1. The elements Li, Be, P, C, N, O, F and Ne contain two main shells, that is K and L, in their atoms. Therefore, they belong to period 2. The number of elements in a period depends on how electrons are filled into various shells. Each period starts with a new shell and ends when shell is filled with respect to the S and P levels of its main shell. The first contains two elements because the K shell contains only one subshell, that is 1s, which can accommodate 2 electrons only. The second period starts with the second main shell, L, which has 2 subshells, 2s and 2p, which can accommodate 8, that is 2 plus 6 electrons. Thus, the second period consists 2 s block elements, that is Li, Pe, and 6 p block elements, P to Ne. Hence, second period contains 8 elements. Third period starts with third main shell, M, which has 3 subshells, 3s, 3p and 3d, but while electrons are being filled into the shell, 3d gets electrons only after 4s is filled. Therefore, the third period contains again 8 elements by filling 3s and 3p. Fourth main shell, N, has 4 subshells, 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f, but while filling electrons, they are filled in the order 4s, 3d and 4p. Due to this, fourth period contains 18 elements, that is 2 plus 10 plus 6, which includes 2 s block, that is K, Ca, 10 elements from D block, that is Sc to Zn, and 6 elements from P block, that is 31Ga to 36Kr. Similarly, fifth period contains 18 elements, that is from 37Rb to 54Xe. Sixth period contains 32 elements, that is from 55Cs to 86Rn. Seventh period is incomplete and contains 3 elements from S block, 14 elements from F block, 10 elements from D block, some elements from P block. The 4F elements, that is lanthanoids, and 5F elements, acetinoids, are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table.